안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I'm your Korean mentor. Today we will discuss about vocabulary from 61 to 80. If you did not watch the video of 41 to 60, click on I button or visit my channel's playlist. Vocabulary. Oh hui. Oh hui. Our first word is spring. Spring in term of seasons. Bom. Bom. Winter. Kyo-ul. Kyo-ul. Music. Mak. Mak. Bicycle. Ja-jon-go. Ja-jon-go. Aeroplane. Bihengi. Bihengi. Cell phone. 휴대폰. 휴대폰. Rice. Cooked rice. Bap. Bap. As you can see, if the bup is used in the start, it sounds B, and the same bup used in the end, it sounds P. Bup. Bup. Tissue. Huge. Huge. Gift. Sonmul. Sonmul. Exit. Bisanghu. Bisanghu. Snow or I. Nun. Nun. Hand. Son. Son. Letter. Pyonji. Pyonji. Doctor. Uisa. Uisa. Road. Kill. Kill. Sky. Hanul. Hanul. Star. Bull. Bull. Daughter. Tal. Tal. Here we use double consonant or tensed consonant. That is why it's tal. Sun. Adul. Adul. Box. Sangja. Sangja. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends, and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.